there is something I must confess to the public. I was listening to the SONA of the President. Pero at the same time, may ginagawa ako.
Yes, sir.
So, yung attention ko minsan na napupunta doon sa ginagawa kong iba. But most of the time, nakikinig rin ako. And while talking about the budget and the business of government and how it is faring, yun ang probably I would answer it along the way. And of course, send over the questions outside of the box na dapat malaman ng tao.